Hi, I'm Judy Kessinger, the creator of the FitNice system. Have you shopped your closet lately? You need to go back and look through it and see how you can change something in there to make the garment look totally different. Now, if you look at the jacket that I have on, you can see these sheer sleeves. I love this fabric, and you can find it in all different colors and all different weights, and it's a knit, so it stretches. Well, what I did was I made an infinity scarf, and I know a lot of you have made these, and it just takes this jacket and just takes it into a little bit different realm. So now my scarf actually matches my sleeve. So it just updates it just a little bit, which is fun to do. I also took that fabric, that same fabric, and if you look at the side of this top, this is the Therese top. And the Therese top is the one that has the wings on the side. And what I did with that was I actually cut that into a triangle. Let me hold this up and show you. I cut that into a triangle and inserted it in the side seams. So I front and back, and it's inserted in there. After I put that in place, then I also added the same sheer fabric to the bottom of the shirt. So it just adds just a little bit of interest, makes it a little bit more fun. The other thing that you can do, and you can do this very easily, when you have one of these tops that's a little bit longer, you can angle the hemline if you want to. So again, it just gives it different, just a little bit of flair. You have it longer on one side than you have on the other. Now, this is one of my favorite things that I've done this year. I love prints. They're beautiful, and I love flowers. As you can see in my background here, I love flowers. So what I did was I took a print that had some really pretty big flowers on it, and I ironed on the back side a glue. Now, this comes in lots of different places. You can find Steam-A-Seam, you can use Heat and Bond, even Stitch Witchery, and you can iron it to the back of your piece of fabric, then cut out your flowers, and then you can iron that to your t-shirt. So this one started out to be the seaside top, and you all have probably seen this on the website before. I took the buttons off, and I took all of those flowers that I cut out and ironed them to the shirt, so you get a totally different look. So go shop your closet.